Hello everyone, welcome to John Mac Classroom. In this video, we are going to discuss the example for function and graph. A function fx is defined as the fx is equals to 3x over x minus 6, where the x cannot be equals to 6. Show that fx is one-to-one function. So my suggestion is using the algebraic method. So where we have the fx sub 1 is equals to fx sub 2. So kindly substitute the situation. We have 3x sub 1 over x sub 1 minus 6 is equals to 3x sub 2 over x sub 2 minus 6. Kindly cross multiply the situation. So 3x sub 1 multiply with x sub 2 minus with the 6 equals to 3x sub 2 multiply with x sub 1 minus 6. Next, expand the situation. 3x sub 1 multiply with x sub 2 minus 18x sub 1 equals to 3x sub 1 multiply with x sub 2 minus with 18x sub 2. Kindly simplify this part and we have 0. Next, simplify the situation. So we will have 18x sub 1 equals to 18x sub 2. Finally, x sub 1 is equals to x sub 2. So in here we can say that shows that fx is one-to-one function. For the second part, find the value of x such that we have the composite function f rho f which is equals to 0. So kindly substitute the situation. We have f rho f equals to 0. So meaning that substitute the f into the function of x. So we will have 3 bracket. Here we will have 3x over x minus 6 over, again, we have 3x over x minus 6 minus with the 6 equals to 0. Next, we will have 9x over x minus 6 over, we have 3x minus 6x plus 36 over x minus 6 equals to 0. Again, 9x over x minus 6 multiply with x minus 6 over, we have 36 minus 3x equals to 0. Simplify the situation. So 9x over 36 minus 3x equals to 0. Next, we have 9x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 0. Next, focus on the part B. Given the function where we have fx is equals to square root of 1 minus 3x and the function of gx where we have x over 2 minus 1. Find the f bracket g inverse for the value negative 7 over 2. So first my suggestion is to find the g inverse. So let y is equals to gx. G inverse y is equals to x. So where we have y is equals to x over 2 minus 1. Kindly rearrange the situation and express x as a subject. So here we will have x over 2 is equals to y plus with the 1. X is equals to 2 multiplied with y plus with the 1. Finally, the g inverse of x is equals to 2 multiplied with x plus 1. So here we have the g inverse. Next, f bracket g inverse x. So in here, they suggest that substitute the negative 7 over 2 into the function of g inverse. So we will have bracket, replace this one with 7 over 2. So bracket, g inverse, we have 2 multiplied with negative 7 over 2 plus with the 1. So kindly simplify the situation. So for this part, we will have f bracket 2 multiplied with negative 7 over 2. We will have negative 5 over 2. Continue. So f bracket, we will have negative 5 after we simplify the situation. And then finally, substitute the negative 5 into the function of fx, where we will have square root of 1 minus 3 multiplied with the negative 5. So finally, we will have 1 plus with the 15, where we have square root of 16, and finally we will have 4. For the situation, f bracket g inverse for the value negative 7 over 2, which is equals to 4. So here we are, and thanks for watching.